Hello everyone and welcome to Beverly Black's channel. Today we are going to be making a Southern Delight pie recipe. It's a chess pie. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to make this Southern style chess pie. Okay, for our chess pie we will need 4 eggs at room temperature, and I've already cracked the eggs. 1 stick of butter that's in the dish getting ready, 1 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of whole milk or evaporated milk. I am using evaporated milk. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yellow cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I went brain dead for a moment. Of lemon juice, another senior moment, y'all. Or you can use a tablespoon of vinegar, either one. I like the lemon flavor. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You will need 1 deep dish pie crust. Okay, let us start this process. We already have our butter in the bowl. I'm going to add the sugar, which is 1 cup and a half, and we're going to blend this together. Sorry if you hear my husband coughing in the background. Okay, let's clean this off on the sides and then mix it again. Mix it some more. Make sure that all your liquids and your eggs are room temperature. Okay, now I'm going to add in the 4 eggs. And we're going to mix them together. Now add in your 2 tablespoons of all-purpose. Do not use self-rising. Use all-purpose flour. And back to the butter, if you use salted butter, you don't have to put in the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But if you use unsalted butter, you have to put that in. Now we're going to add the tablespoon of cornmeal. Put in your lemon juice. The evaporated milk or whole, I'm using evaporated milk. And mix it together. Oh, and the salt. I almost forgot my salt. My 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in your vanilla. Mix together well. I'm making a mess as usual. Now I'll scrape the sides, make sure it's all mixed in together. Here's my pie shell. I pricked with a fork, I pricked my shell and baked it in the oven about 5 minutes on the 350, and make sure you have your oven preheated to 350. And get a deep dish, because this is a deep dish. Okay. The pie is ready to go in the oven. I will bake it for 45 to 55 minutes on 355, and when I come back, I'll have the end results and I'll let you see it. But when this pie comes out of the oven, you can't cut it right then. You have to let it set and settle, and that may take, it has to cool completely, and that may take up to a couple hours. Some people do it from 2 to 5 hours. They let it cool completely before they cut it. But I will return and let you see how it looks when it comes out of the oven, and then I'll let it cool, and when I let it cool, I'll cut a piece. I just got the pie out of the oven, but I would go and crack the center of it. I kind of pushed it to the inward when I was bringing it out, but that's all right. It smells so good, but I have to let it sit for maybe 2 to 3 to 5 hours until it's complete, or either I may put it in the refrigerator after a couple of hours. But I wish you could smell this pie. It smells so good. So the crack won't matter. We will tear it up. We will eat it. Today's meal consists of oxtails with potatoes and onion, collard greens and mustard greens cooked together, a pan of good old cornbread, and some coleslaw. It's going down. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and share it out. Sharing is caring. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. I will have the recipe down in the description box, so check it out. This will make a great pie for Christmas. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. I love you, and it ain't a thing you can do about it. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing